Cold nights, city lights, JULI. The station feels cold.